One owner, 1 million miles. If you haven't heard Farah's story, it all happened on her 2013 Hyundai Elantra, and all on its original powertrain. Even we were like, whoa. Sure, we stand behind our cars with America's best warranty, up to 100,000 miles, but we had to find out how Farah was able to drive her Elantra over 10 times that amount. So we asked her.
It's all on how you take care of it. With any kind of maintenance, you want to make sure you stay on top of it. I've replaced just the regular fuel pump, brakes, rotors, calipers. Anything major, like the engine transmission is still original. Oil changes, transmission, drains and fills, those are very important. I never would have even gotten close to 1 million miles if I hadn't have taken care of my car the way I have.
And now, it's easier than ever to keep your car going strong with Hyundai Complimentary Maintenance. Every new vehicle that rolls off one of our lots now receives basic maintenance on us for up to 3 years or 36,000 miles. Oil changes, tire rotations, and more.
My next goal is going to be 1.5 million. Now, if I can get 2 million, that would be incredible.
Having full confidence in your car? There's nothing better.